Hello everyone. Are you ready? Yes, okay. So we are waiting for Miss Lee and Tim. Ya, Mas.
Wah,
Okay,
saya
Miss Lee, just a minute. My student are still preparing.
Hello, can you hear my voice, all of students?
Yes.
yes.
It's very clear.
Thank you. Can we start now?
Just
Yes.
3 minutes. My students are still opening the Zoom and also.
Hello, 안녕하세요.
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 I'm Lee from Korean, and my major is Chinese. So welcome to our school's lecture today.
Hello, my name is Ryu Jin-seon, just miss you. And I'm English teacher at Korea. And I will teach carbon neutrality today. So can you start the class now?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we can see another slide, another picture. Save me.
Save me, there's no planet B.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
But
Thank
before my
you.
students cannot see what the pictures you told them, so sorry to say.
That's why they are silent.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
So, lovely students,
All right.
now you can see this slide.
Yes.
Save me, there's no planet B.
Yes.
Have you ever seen this before?
Yes.
Oh, actually, it's my first time to see this to prepare the class. But that is very popular campaign to save the earth. So, as assignment, so as an assignment, make your own poster like there's no planet B poster and upload it at the Padlet. You know the Padlet picture, right?
Yes. We can upload it to our. Okay.
So if you have time at the end of the class, I will give you time to make your own poster. So Petra, can you help students to make their own poster at the end of the class if we have time?
Okay, so I'm going to ask them to write poster and then upload on your Padlet, right?
Oh, yes.
I have shared them a piece of drawing paper, so don't worry. Okay, nice presentation. Come on.
So now let's watch our YouTube. It's about carbon neutrality. It will take 5 minutes. Can you see this video?
Teacher science homework
Yes, it's very clear.
every day. Academy for Social Change presents Carbon Neutrality. Anna is in a class where the teacher assigns homework every day, but doesn't check it until the end of the month. Unfortunately, it is halfway through the month, and Anna hasn't done any of the homework. She has 3 options. She can start doing all her homework and do her best to catch up. She can hope that her teacher stops assigning homework every night, or she can continue not doing her homework and get in trouble later. Carbon neutrality works similarly. It is based upon the fact that excess carbon in the atmosphere builds up until it has caused irreparable damage to our planet. Anna's teacher probably won't stop assigning her homework, but as a planet, we can stop adding carbon to our atmosphere. We can also work to remove the existing carbon in our atmosphere and reduce the damage through carbon removal. In both Anna's case and our own, doing nothing will result in a lot of trouble. The carbon will continue to build up and heat the planet. This temperature increase will result in damaged ecosystems, rising ocean levels, and unusual and dangerous weather conditions. Carbon neutrality means achieving net zero carbon emissions, which is an equal balance between the amount of carbon emissions humans put into the atmosphere with the amount of carbon that is absorbed from the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is a naturally occurring gas that is present in the Earth's atmosphere, but it also acts as a greenhouse gas, a gas that exists in the atmosphere and traps heat. Since the heat can no longer escape, it is directed back at Earth. With enough greenhouse gas emissions, that heat will cause significant changes in Earth's temperature. By burning fossil fuels, big companies and individuals release greenhouse gas emissions into the atmosphere and contribute to the rising global temperature. Carbon neutrality aims to slow, if not stop, that rise in temperature. CO2 is just one of many greenhouse gases. Still, it is one of the most long-lived, sticking around in the atmosphere for thousands of years and impacting our planet far into the future, which is why people are so worried about limiting carbon emissions quickly. One method of achieving carbon neutrality is through carbon offsetting. Carbon offsetting is a process where companies or even individuals purchase carbon offsets, investing in companies that will take that money and use it in a project meant to reduce carbon emissions. These projects can range from wind turbines to energy efficient buildings. So if someone was going on a plane trip, they might pay to offset the carbon emissions of their plane ride, and their money will go towards supporting a clean energy project. This action reduces their carbon footprint or the total greenhouse gas emissions that they cause. Another strategy for reaching carbon neutrality is to reduce carbon emissions dramatically. While carbon offsets can help to balance the amount of carbon in the atmosphere, they're meant to be a secondary action, used only when a company or country cannot further reduce their carbon emissions at the same time. Instead of using non-renewable energy sources like gas and oil, many scientists advocate for renewable energy and reducing energy usage in general. Switching to solar, wind, geothermal, and hydroelectric power are all examples of ways in which companies can reduce carbon emissions. Using less energy, such as by shutting down toxic factories, also helps the environment. This change will reduce carbon emissions as well as save money. However, while walking, biking, and using public transportation are all cheap and sustainable methods of travel, focusing only on the actions of individuals allows big companies and governments to escape scrutiny. As they are the ones emitting the most carbon into the air, it is essential to make sure that they're doing their part for the environment. This work can come in the form of complying with international and local regulations, as well as taking the initiative to emit as little carbon as possible, no matter how high the cap on emissions is. For decades, scientists have warned about keeping the global temperature rise under 2 degrees Celsius by the end of the 21st century, to avoid the worst effects of increased temperatures. However, recent reconsiderations have shown that 1.5 degrees is the safer limit, especially for preventing sea levels from getting too high. This limit will be difficult to keep to, especially since the world already hit the 1 degree mark in late 2015. However, there are numerous international agreements where countries have set limits on their greenhouse gas emissions, like the Paris Accord. 2 countries, Bhutan and Suriname, are already carbon negative, meaning that they absorb more carbon than they emit. Many other countries have committed to becoming carbon neutral by a specific date, often 2050. There's a lot of work to be done, but the world is becoming more aware of the dangers of carbon emissions and more active in reducing our carbon footprint. When people think about environmentalism, they often think of melting ice caps and polar bears. While those issues are genuine, some issues hit closer to home for many people. Toxic facilities like coal-fired power plants and incinerators emit toxic chemicals into the lungs, soil, and water of nearby communities, as well as emitting carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These issues disproportionately affect communities of color and low-income communities globally. The United Nations has identified 3 main ways that this inequality occurs. First, there's often an increased risk of exposure to harmful effects of climate change in these communities. Second, there is an increase in the susceptibility to damage caused by climate change. And third, there is a decreased ability to recover from the damage. Carbon neutrality is one of the most critical goals in preserving our planet, as well as ensuring that all people can live safely and securely. Now it's your time to think further. Either in your community or your country as a whole, what are some laws and policies you think might be useful in reducing carbon emissions?
So let's talk about carbon neutrality again. It's very hard word, right? So do you know the aim of carbon neutrality? You see in the slide to slow, or if not stop, that rise in the temperature. So carbon neutrality tries to slow Earth's rising temperature. So before we're talking about how can we reduce the carbon footprint, let's talk about first what is carbon footprint. Carbon footprint is all amount of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere. Do you know what carbon dioxide in Indonesian language? Are you familiar with that?
Yeah.
Okay, students, please answer it.
Yes.
So there's a calculator. We can know how much carbon dioxide we release into the atmosphere. So let's take a quiz together. Can you see that here? clevercarbon.io.quiz.
Yes.
So would you help students to do the quiz, or student do the quiz?
Okay, I will tell them. Okay, Miss
It
Lee.
will
Okay,
take for 2 or 3 minutes.
okay. So they are going to use their own mobile phone. Okay. Okay, Miss Lee and Miss Yu. Just wait for a while. My students are still typing the link you gave. Okay. So thank you
Mhm.
for your nice presentation. Yeah. Okay. We do understand now.
Wow.
Yeah.
I studied a lot.
Okay. Thank you for your hard work. Hello, students. Are you ready? Okay, students. Please do it. Okay. Very good. Okay, Miss Lee. They are still doing your quiz. And Miss Yu, thank you for the nice quiz. They are very motivated in doing your quiz. Okay, thank you. All right. You can do it. Wow, great. Okay. All right. So they are still doing the quiz on their
Oh,
mobile phones. All right. Good job.
everyone.
Wow. Mutiara, you got it. Wow. Yeah, one of my students did the quiz very
2.1.
well. Okay, and two of my students. Okay, so Andini, great job. Okay, thank you. Come on, everyone. Miss you and Miss Lee,
Yes.
how long does it take for doing the quiz? Do you limit the time?
I will give you one more minute.
Oh, 1 more minute.
Yes.
Oh, so maybe 2 more minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So two of my students succeed doing your quiz. Okay,
Mm,
Mutiara and Andini.
okay.
Tiara and Anthony. Oh, good job.
Okay. Excuse me, Miss You.
Yes.
So, okay. So I see your banner behind you.
Yes.
It's a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. No problem.
Thank you.
Okay.
Let
I
me
just
know.
remind because I see it on my screen. Okay.
It's bothering.
Uh-huh. Thank you. So all my students are very happy with your quiz. They are still focusing in doing your task or your quiz.
Actually, I did the same quiz,
Mm-hmm.
and my score is 24,
Mm-hmm.
not 2.4.
All right.
You know what? Do you know the average Indonesian CO2 emission per person is 2.3?
Oh, 2.3.
Yes, yes, yes. I saw
2,3.
a
Right.
similar number you students showed me, like 2.1, 2.3, right?
All right. So my question is about the poster because they are still doing the quiz. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe my students will make a poster after this class, and upload on your Padlet.
Hmm.
Okay.
So can I move on, or do I have to wait 1 or 2 minutes
Okay.
for your student to
Let
finish?
me ask my student first. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I have asked my students and they said 1 minute because
Okay.
they are still doing
Done.
the quiz and then they look very happy in doing that one. So I think I have to wait them. Okay. All
Okay.
right.
Aku pencil, ngapain dia diumumin?
But most of them are finished. Only a few students are still doing the quiz.
Okay.
And my question is, can the students know the score after doing the quiz? No.
Which one?
For example, you are giving my students the quiz, and then my question is, can my students know the score after doing the quiz? No score. Oh yes, yeah. My students answer they can see the score after doing the quiz. Okay, great. What is the name of the app you use?
This one? Oh, I didn't make it. I just found it. I cannot hear you, Petra.
Yeah. Okay, Mutiara, how did you get your score? Can you tell us?
My score is 2.1.
What about you, Andini?
My score is 2.12.
Oh, you're
2.12.
more than average.
Okay. All right. Fantastic.
So that means I'm making a lot of CO2 emission. I'm the
Okay,
enemy.
Miss Lee and Miss Yu. So all my students are very happy with the quiz, and they finished doing the quiz, and maybe you can keep on. Okay.
Okay, thank
Yes, please go
you.
on.
어떡하지? 그러면 그냥 빠르게만 보여줄까? Do you have a handout? What handout?
You
Right.
also have the handout, isn't it? Just like this. The paper of
Yes, I have.
Yes, we have it.
Like after I'm explain about carbon footprint by country, carbon footprint of common items, we'll have a little quiz about these things. Very quickly look at the carbon footprint of common items together. Like one potato can release 40 gram CO2 emissions. 10-minute hot shower release 2 kilogram of CO2 emission. 어떻게 써? 얘를 화면을 and 1 hour 15-minute flight surprisingly release a lot of CO2 emission, like 121 kilogram emission. 이게 다네? 그다음에 you can see more example on the handouts.
Yeah.
So when you're taking a quiz, you can see the information on the handouts.
Yeah, they
You're
are
all
reading your
right?
handout. Yes, they got it.
그다음 이 컨트롤까지는 설명할까? And let's take a look at carbon footprint by country. 이거 리스트를 이 숫자가 나오지 않는구나. 인도네시아.
Yeah, we are waiting for Indonesia. Can you find Indonesia?
Can you find Indonesia? 인도네시아 어디지? 아이. 인도네시아.
Yeah, Indonesia.
인도
You can type.
2.3. What about Korea?
Wow.
13.1. Can you guess? What about
What about
Singapore?
America?
America?
What's about United States?
United States of America is 17.5.
Wow.
United Kingdom 8.3.
Mm-hmm.
뭐가 있어? China 6.06. Singapore 20.4.
Wow.
Wow. I want to. Okay.
Okay, so it's time to take a quiz together. You can find information on the handouts.
all the answer is
It's on the
in your
handout.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay, students, please look at your handout. Can you find it? Yes. We are going to do it in Kahoot.
Mhm.
Okay, maybe my students are preparing their mobile phones. Okay, students, please use your mobile phones. We are going to play Kahoot. Okay, please join Kahoot. And then you can see on the screen the passcode, the PIN. Okay.
PIN number is 247821.
Yeah. One. Hey, one,
You're
two,
so
three. And I will say,
adorable.
okay. 2, 4, 7, 8, 2, 1.
How many students?
So we are all 34. So we are now in two classes, one in computer laboratory and one in regular class.
So how many students participate this Kahoot? Maybe 30?
I think 34.
34.
Yeah. Just wait for a while.
One more. 33. Oh, 34.
Okay.
Can you start the quiz?
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Start.
이거 한국어로 나온 거 아니지? 한국어로 나왔는데? It's true or false question. Carbon neutrality aims to accelerate rise in temperature.
Blue is true and red is false.
Hello. Come on. Hello. It is in Korean. Okay, so my students. Okay. So the answers are in Korean. Wow.
From the next question, it's all in Korean. It's all.
Yeah.
It should be all in English.
Okay.
Oh, Christine.
Christine. The next question: what is the term for total amount of greenhouse gases atmosphere as a result of activity as the individual?
Okay, now it is in English. Come on.
Uh-huh.
Come on, guys.
Dung, 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 dung,
Okay,
dung.
come on. Dung, 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 dung. Okay, good.
Yay, it's called carbon footprint. Oh, will be the winner.
Who is the winner?
두구, 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 두구. Wow, Christy, Ryan.
Yeah. And questions?
What average of the footprint is? It's on the handout.
빨리 말.
Two, one, bang.
No. Yeah.
Good
6.3.
Come on, students.
Wow.
Still Christine, Ryan, Zahara, Tarisa, and Andika.
You're very smart.
Yeah, very good. And next
It's
question.
Which one is the highest carbon footprint? One apple, 1 minute hot shower, 1 plastic bag, 1 hour mobile phone.
Come on, everybody.
One more minute. The answer is 1 minute hot shower.
Oh.
Oh,
Newcomer, Aisa.
Isa. Isa.
Lisa.
Who's Isa? Please raise your hand. Isa.
First
Oh.
one, Christine, and now comes Aisa.
Mm.
Second is Aika. And
Ryan? Who is Ryan?
Ryan is my student.
Brian. Okay. Okay.
The next.
Come on. Come on, guys. Hello.
Double point. Which country emits the most carbon dioxide per person? Switzerland, Indonesia, South Korea, Japan. 5 more seconds. The answer is unfortunately Switzerland.
Wow.
Wow,
Oh,
the first
Daniel.
Dani,
Wow.
Dani is the right name.
Daniel.
How to read the
How can
name?
I pronounce her name?
Dani.
Dani, Dani.
Dani.
This is the last quiz. What is
Oh,
appropriate
this is the
action
last one.
to reduce the carbon footprint? Using more hot water, driving more, using disposable products frequently, recycling. The answer is recycling. Bird be the final winner. Third prize, Tadaha, Taraha.
Yeah.
Please,
Congratulations.
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 And then
Wow, Dani. Wow.
Congratulations. Everybody, you did a good job. We have
yes.
minutes left. So let's make a carbon neutral dish soap.
Ayan na namanya sabun zero emisi.
Yes, yes, that is. Yeah.
How to make this?
Everybody, do you have this handout? It's a manual to make
Hello,
that.
everyone. Please find the handout.
Yes, yes, that.
Yes.
We have
They got it.
Make soap together. That soap make no carbon emissions. Yeah. After making that soap, you can use it when you wash the dishes.
We will change the camera. Hold on, please. Okay, and we try to make our kit now. Okay, please open the box. Okay.
Two things.
So here is the two bottle. Yeah. And
One is liquid and one is 이거는 뭐지? Powder for the color. So maybe you need a scissor or knife to cut the corner of the bag.
I have it. I will share to my students. Okay.
So when you are ready, cut the corner of the bag with scissors.
Okay, okay. Wow. Great. Ya, buka aja. Ya, oke, oke. Cepat-cepat. Oke, hurry up. Okay. Come on.
Please open a powder bottle and put
With the
it.
color.
Miss Lee, would you please wait a minute because they are still cutting the plastic. Okay. Right. Just a minute. It
This
smells.
color
Yes,
coffee.
because it is powder.
Powder. It smells.
Yellow means pumpkin.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Please wait a minute.
Mm. This one is liquid.
And what about this?
Miss, just a minute.
Cutting the corner.
Barang-barangnya. Lihat kamera barangnya. Bukan kita sendiri.
Okay.
Add the powder first. Powder, not the liquid.
Then we can pour liquid in your bag.
And hold it tightly and shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. After shaking it, you can add a liquid in the mixture.
Okay. Just
And after adding all
Hello, Miss. Can we ask, we put all the powder in or
yes,
half of it?
or the powder, or powders.
And shake it.
Shake it for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Fun.
5 minutes.
Good job.
It should be combined.
Tambah air dulu. Liquid. Add the liquid. Sudah diaduk.
Put liquid and powder and shake. Start.
Sudah jadi belum lagi kan? Disuruh liquidnya semuanya. Yes. Oh.
It will change into clay.
It will change to clay. Do you know clay? It's for 5 minutes. Okay.
hello. So what next, Miss Lee, Miss Yu?
Just to put all the things and try to use your hand, just like mix
Oh
it.
yes. Okay, let me
Will
tell my.
taste like clay.
All right.
Clay.
Okay, students, please see Miss Lee doing the trick that you have to press it.
So how long do we need to do like
It
that?
will be 5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay. Okay, everyone, you can do it in 5 minutes. Excuse me. Do the students need to put the another bottle? I think it is like water.
Here, all the things you put in this bag.
Also, all the things put in plastic. Okay, all right. Okay, so they are doing that. Thank you. So just wait a minute.
After mixing it, you can take
Excuse
it.
me. I'm asking you, one of my student, she got only little kind of water, okay? So should I change the bottle?
Adel, can you show seriously? One of my students. Just a little or all?
All the students
Adel, please show to the screen. Adel.
little.
It's not a
Terima
problem.
No
kasih.
problem. Okay, okay.
Wow, it's really
It's a good
amazing.
point.
So,
So after mixing
Saturday,
it, you can
Sunday, and
mix
Sam
with the
are
mixer.
doing it. Okay. Siapa punya tadi? Adini,
Yeah.
Mutiara,
And mold it like a bowl.
Tuh Bayu siapa?
Okay,
Like
students, please see Miss Lee
Boleh liatin ke sini, Dek? Boleh liatin ke sini
hands,
hasilnya?
and then you
Boleh
have to
liatin ke sini?
press
Oke.
this
like
kind ball.
Makasih.
We are going to make a kind of ball. We press it. Yeah, okay, good. Good job.
And you make a ball. You just put it a little, and you put the string in here.
Wow, they are very good at doing your instruction. Wow. Okay. Adele, please show to Miss View and Miss Lee. Can you see on the screen? One of my students can do it.
oh,
Yeah. Adele, can you find in this on the screen? Adele. Okay, Adele, show.
Oh, she's
Is it like that? Wow, good job.
uh,
How you are good, Miss Lee. Okay.
ooh.
Wow.
just like that, just like ball.
Oh, so at the end it is like that.
So you
Wow.
can
Everyone, while doing your things,
yes.
please see on screen. You can see at the end of the thing that Miss Lee doing is like that. Okay. Can you show one again?
Also reduce the string, but if you
Want a string? You can push the string into the
in the
center of the
middle.
bowl.
Okay.
Oh yeah, the center of the bowl.
But what about if we don't have the string?
You don't
Is it
have
okay?
string?
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
I
they
did.
have it. You have the string. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, Adele, can you show to Miss Lee? Yeah, one of my students succeed in doing that. Her name is
Ooh.
Adele. Oh, come on, Adele, please show to the screen.
Oh, Adele.
Adele,
Yeah.
thank
Wow, good job. And also beside Adele, what's your name? Salsa? Oh, Naila. Okay, Naila. Kaila. All right.
Wow.
Wow, great. Fantastic.
You can make any shape you want,
Mm-hmm.
like or rabbit shape or any shape you want.
So good job, Miss View. Okay, you did your job very well.
Thank you. You can use it after 7 days after dry that soap.
Mm-hmm. Oh, ada nih. Okay, a minute.
Wow, Christine. Yeah.
Wow, it's really amazing. Okay, so some students succeed and some are still
Wow.
doing it. Okay, wow, Mutia, and then wow, good.
We
Yeah,
are saving the earth.
wow, great job. Yeah, yeah. All right, please, Andini, Mutiara. Oh, you did your job very well. Insania, and then also Anissa. And what about you, girl? Wow, come on. All right. Keep on doing that. Oh, wow. Good job. Mm, okay. Nice.
all the
Wow.
students to
Okay. Excellent.
get
You did your
oh
job very well.
I think it's time to wrap up the class. It's almost to 2:20.
Ya silakan Pak dipoto-foto aja Pak Benny. Okay.
thank you.
Thank you. Wow.
Today, everybody.
Yeah. Excellent. Wonderful. So
Wonderful.
they are very happy. Thank you for your class, UNESCO class. Okay.
So next time we'll be have a class about Indonesian dances, ne?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so see you next
Okay,
time.
okay. But just a minute. My student
See you.
wants to say thank you to you. Okay, students, open your microphone.
Thank
Microphone
you,
on. Say thank
Miss.
you. Kamsahamnida.
감사합니다.
Yeah.
안녕.
Okay.
Have a nice day, friends.
Yeah,
Thank
thank you very much. Hello, one more
you.
question, please. What about the
Recording
type
stopped.
of poster? What
Tunggu,
they
tunggu.
are
Punya
going
gua
to make? What kind of poster?
poster. Siapa nih? Ini
Is it
mau.
about save the planet?
Yeah, save the
Oh
planet.
iya,
Yeah, for example, don't throw the rubbish into the river. Or for example, put the rubbish in the waste bin. Okay, is it like that? Okay, so my students will do it later and put it on your backpack. Thank you, Kamsahamnida. Bye bye. See you next time. Okay.
Thank you for showing me how to make this safe stop for the environment. Thank you.
Thank you, Gangwon Foreign Language High School, for teaching us how to make this eco-friendly soap. Thank you. Let's save our earth with using this eco-friendly soap. Thank you for Gangwon Foreign Language High School, and thank you for Kemendikbud Ristek RI for this event. Thank you.
Thank you.